Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop.
Punched a hole through the tub wall with the Porta-A-Power. Now I'm going to take the sledge and knock it apart the rest of the way. Well, cast iron tub comes apart pretty good. We're not done with it yet, but it's looking like a lot better shot than... I didn't know if it was a steel tub or a cast iron tub or what it was. But now I know for sure it's cast iron because it just shatters when you hit it with that big sledgehammer. I'm whacking it with an 8-pound sledge, and it's coming apart in little bitty chunks. Well, big pieces from the front. I got 2 big pieces out of the front, and the rest of it's just 3-inch square bits. But it's coming. Was, but I'm as good once as I ever was. This proves that I'm not as good as I once was, but I'm as good once as I ever was. Swinging that sledgehammer is taking it right out of me. But we've punched major holes in this thing. It's coming out. Those little pieces coming off of there are like little bits of pointy, sharp-edged glass.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.